Windows 11 and 12, Microsoft's AI revolution. Unleashed with the GPT5 upgrade. In a digital universe filled with updates, downloads, and tech hiccups, there's a heroic duo on the horizon, ready to change the way we interact with our computers. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exhilarating world of Windows 11 and the imminent arrival of Windows 12. But this isn't your typical tech tale. It's a narrative of AI innovation, groundbreaking features, and the promise of a tech revolution. So, prepare to be dazzled as we unveil Microsoft's AI-powered future in our viral video. Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts and digital dreamers, brace yourselves for a journey through the ever-evolving landscape of AI technology. It's a world where Windows 11 isn't just an operating system. It's a digital companion, a personal assistant, and a game changer in the way we interact with our PCs. And on the horizon, Windows 12 is preparing to take the stage, promising even more. Welcome to Virtual Reality James, your portal to all things AI. And today, we're about to uncover how Microsoft is turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. Picture this. Your computer becomes your trusted sidekick, anticipating your every need and simplifying your tasks. It's not science fiction, it's Windows 11's CoPilot, an AI assistant that's changing the game. It's as if you have a personal assistant right at your fingertips, and it's all just a click away on your taskbar. We'll explore how CoPilot makes your digital life more efficient, more convenient, and more fun. But that's just the beginning. CoPilot isn't working alone. It's powered by Bing Chat, the AI chatbot that can answer your questions and perform tasks with the simplicity of a conversation. It's a match made in AI heaven, and we'll show you how it works seamlessly. Windows 11. Upgrade. Meet CoPilot, your new digital BFF. It's like having a personal assistant right there on your PC. And guess what? You can access it with just one click on your trusty taskbar. CoPilot has a nifty sidebar that sticks around no matter what you're doing on your computer. Convenience level? Off the charts. CoPilot is designed to assist you with various tasks, from setting up your device to troubleshooting issues. With its intuitive interface, CoPilot seamlessly integrates into your workflow, making it easier than ever to navigate through Windows 11's new features and enhancements. Whether you're a tech-savvy user or a beginner, CoPilot is here to simplify your Windows 11 experience. It's a game changer, making your interaction with your PC smoother than a fresh jar of peanut butter. But CoPilot isn't just about being accessible, it's about making your life easier and more efficient. Imagine being able to complete tasks, customize settings, and connect with your favorite apps without breaking a sweat. CoPilot is designed to streamline your digital experience and redefine what it means to interact with your computer. Bing Chat integration. Now, here's where CoPilot gets even more exciting. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your computer, with support for AI extensions. This means you can access features from your favorite third-party apps without the hassle of switching between programs. Ordering food, booking flights, sending emails, or queuing up your favorite tunes. It's all right there within your current window. Efficiency? Check. Convenience? Double check. With Bing Chat integration, CoPilot allows you to seamlessly communicate and collaborate with others. Whether it's chatting with colleagues, brainstorming ideas, or sharing files, you can do it all without leaving your current workspace. It's a game changer for productivity and streamlining your workflow. But wait, how does CoPilot pull off these tricks? It's all thanks to Bing Chat, the AI chatbot with the answers to your questions and the skills to perform tasks using natural language. No more diving into complicated menus or scouring settings. Just type in your command or query in the chat box at the bottom of your screen, and CoPilot will step in to lend a hand. All right, tech aficionados, here's a question for you. If your computer could anticipate your needs and adjust its performance like a mind-reading wizard, what's the first task you'd delegate to it? Tell us in the comments below and let your digital dreams run wild. AI plugin support. CoPilot's not stopping there. It's all about streamlining your multitasking and making your digital life a breeze. With AI plugin support, you're essentially opening the door to your favorite third-party apps without leaving your current window. Whether you want to book a flight, order food, or play your favorite tunes on Spotify, it's all at your fingertips. No more app hopping or juggling multiple tabs. This feature is like having all your app superpowers right at your digital doorstep, and it's a game changer for efficiency. AI tools for developers. But it's not just about improving the user experience. It's also about empowering developers to create the next generation of AI-powered applications. Microsoft is making it happen by leveraging their Azure cloud platform and the Onyx runtime engine. This combination is like giving developers the keys to the AI kingdom, allowing them to craft apps that redefine what's possible in the digital realm. It's a move that's set to foster innovation, encourage creativity, and push the boundaries of what AI can do. Microsoft Store with AI. Even the trusty old Microsoft Store is getting a makeover. It's not just about hunting for apps the old-fashioned way anymore. Now, it's like having a personal shopper. The store recommends apps based on your interests and tracks the ones you download and use, serving you with personalized recommendations. And when you're not in the mood to type, just talk to it. Yep, you can search for apps using your voice. Talk about user-friendly upgrades. With AI at the helm, the Microsoft Store is set to revolutionize how you discover, interact with, and download apps. Inbox support for archive formats. Say goodbye to the hassle of dealing with archive formats. CoPilot's got your back here too. No more needing to download third-party apps just to open those tricky 7-zip or RAR files. Now, it's as simple as a right-click and an open. Quick, easy, and efficient. That's the name of the game here. CoPilot and Microsoft are making sure that even the smallest digital inconveniences become a thing of the past. Windows 12 predictions. Now, let's peek into the future. Microsoft and OpenAI are teaming up for Windows 12. We're talking about AI-optimized PC performance, AI-powered image editing, AI-written emails, an AI-powered file explorer that organizes your digital life, and even a Windows experience that responds to your emotions. In a nutshell, it's like having a digital companion that understands you better than anyone else. The integration of GPT5 in Windows 12 promises to revolutionize the user experience. It's about automating tasks, optimizing PC performance, and personalizing your digital environment like never before. Windows 12 is more than an operating system. It's a digital companion, a revolution in the making. As we wrap up this incredible journey through the AI wonderland of Windows 11 and the promises of Windows 12, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop on all things tech and AI. We have weekly videos launching covering the topics of AI, VER, and all new tech updates. If there's a topic you want covered, comment the details below, and your article could be featured on our next tech video update. Your digital adventures have just begun, and we'll be your trusty guides on this electrifying ride. Thanks for tuning in here in Virtual Reality James, and until next time, keep those AI dreams alive, subscribe now, and stay ahead of the digital curve.